Hi guys, so I just filmed an eyebrow tutorial. If you guys want to see exactly how I achieve my eyebrows, please keep on watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah, and I hope you like the video. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming an eyebrow tutorial. I know I usually do them in my videos, but this one is just going to be completely dedicated to my eyebrows. So yeah, just to let y'all know, I have nothing on my eyebrows right now. These are completely all my hairs. I just cleaned that, there's nothing there. A blank canvas. The first thing I use, the first product I use is this LA Girl Pro, no, it's not even Pro, LA Girl Brow Pomade. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. So I use this product right here. Like after I discovered it, I just randomly was like, oh, let me just try it out. So the first thing I do is I take a spoolie. This is from Elf. It was like, what, $2? And I just brush my hairs. Like same thing for this side. It's sort of just brushing them where I want them to go. I recently did my brows. That's why they're like clean. I do my own brows because I go to school in Buffalo, and I started letting people touch my brows here, and it was no. So I started learning how to do my brows by myself. Like, I use my angled brush. This is my favorite brush. I don't clean them all the time. I should be cleaning them all the time. Sometimes I just take a makeup wipe and just wipe them like this. And then I go into my brow pomade. And I start out, let me get my mirror. I'll put it right here. Okay, make sure you really have to have an intimate relationship with this mirror, because you guys really need to figure out where you're going. So I'm gonna start out by just drawing a line following my eyebrow hair. So just like that. So I drew my line. All right, I go back into my product, and now I'm going to draw my top line. For my top line, I draw the shape that I want. Like, I don't have the best, arch here, but we're gonna draw that in, okay? And with the top, like, since there's a lot of product on this, I start sort of a little bit more, like, not at the front, just a little bit to the side. Start there and just drag your product out and sort of give yourself an arch where you want it, and then drag it out to the end. See, just like that. And then fill in your brows. When it comes to the front, I use the excess product from filling it in to bring it up to the front. I'm gonna do this side as well. It's okay. That's why we have the concealer coming along. So next thing you want to do is just brush your eyebrows, basically to blend in all those lines that you made inside. And one thing to keep in mind is that the eyebrows will never be twins. No matter how much you try, they will never be twins. And now I'm going to take your concealer, and using a very small, like a flat brush, you're going to take your concealer just like this, pack that on, and now you're going to clean up any messes. You have to put this concealer right below that line that you drew. one thing also to keep in mind, like when you're doing your eyebrows, don't always focus on like being in the mirror, because you can't really see what you're doing until you step away. Now that we have the bottom of our eyebrows, now we're going to do the top. Grab your same concealer and we're gonna clean the top. Start on this side first. Ooh, this is where it gets complicated, okay? Shoot, it's really okay. Here we go. Jesus. Take your sponge and just blend out those concealer lines. About eyebrows is that you have to make sure you kind of blend out the front so it looks as natural as possible. And wow, these eyebrows look intense. I need to put some makeup on. Alright, when I get back, I'm gonna have some makeup on. Alright, now that I'm done with my makeup, now I'm gonna do the finishing touches on my eyebrows that I feel like I always have to do after I'm done with doing my makeup. Those steps include going back into my brow pomade and just redarkening those ends because they do get lost when you put on your foundation. Also, I like to apply brow gel because this allows them to stay in place. And there you go. There's my final look. This is basically how I do my eyebrows. Whether it's right or wrong, I don't really know, but this is what works for me. And I just wanted to share with y'all what works for me. Maybe I could try the LA Girl pomade. Maybe it works for you. I don't know. But thank you for watching and stay tuned for another video.